Hi everyone, I'm Jason. Today's video I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Liftmaster keypad. So by doing this, it will erase all your codes that you have programmed onto this keypad, and it also will remove it from your garage door opener. So keep this in mind before you do this factory reset. You will have to pair it back to your garage door opener. Okay, so to factory reset this, it's actually pretty simple. We have to hold the 0 and the enter at the same time for about 20 seconds or until you hear a beep. So let's do this now. Okay, there's the beep. That means this is now factory reset. For you to pair this back onto your device, the instructions are right here on the lid. That's all I have for you guys today. If you guys have any questions, please give me a comment below. If you like this video, hit those thumbs up. You want to see more like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.